Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best soy wax scents are probably one of the most crucial elements in creating a truly captivating and immersive candlemaking experience, transforming a simple wax base into an aromatic masterpiece that can evoke memories, set moods, and transport users to different places with just a single flicker of flame, making the careful selection of fragrance oils paramount for any aspiring or seasoned candlemaker aiming to produce high-quality, desirable products that stand out in a competitive market. Number 5. HIQILI Vanilla Essential Oil, 100 ml. Experience the pure essence of vanilla with our essential oil. Sourced from China and extracted using traditional methods, it offers a naturally sweet and refreshing aroma. Its warm and comforting scent is perfect for relaxation. Add a few drops to your diffuser to create a calming atmosphere at home. This oil is a wonderful addition to your DIY projects. Enhance your lotions, soaps, candles, and even laundry with its delightful fragrance. Incorporate it into various aspects of your life, from home cleaning to personal aromatherapy. It helps eliminate odors and freshen your surroundings. For a relaxing massage, blend it with a carrier oil. Its gentle properties help to soothe both body and mind. Our vanilla oil is rigorously tested for purity and composition. You can be confident in its quality and safety for all your uses. This versatile oil blends beautifully with other essential oils. Experiment to create unique scents that suit your mood and needs. What we like. If you're looking for a pure, natural scent to create a calming atmosphere, this is the one. Its warm, sweet aroma is perfect for unwinding after a long day. Consider this if you want to add a touch of comfort and relaxation to your home through diffusers, lotions, or candles. What people say. It comes with both big and travel size. This peppermint oil seems like a decent quality product, but the scent just wasn't strong or long-lasting enough for my needs. My bottle came with a glass eyedropper that was broken in half. Luckily, I had an extra to use. Number 4. Hearth and Crafts Soy Candle Wax Kit. Experience a smooth, even burn with our premium soy wax flakes. They are ideal for crafting long-lasting candles with a clean finish and strong scent throw. This set includes everything you need for easy DIY projects. You'll get 10 pounds of soy wax, 100 pre-waxed wicks, and 2 centering devices. Making candles is simple with our wax. Just melt it at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and add your favorite fragrances or dyes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for effortless pouring and setting. Create custom candles for relaxation, home decor, or personal enjoyment. It works well with various containers and molds, making it perfect for any project. This kit is beginner-friendly and suitable for experienced crafters alike. It's ideal for making all types of decorative wax creations, from jar candles to tea lights. What we like. This comprehensive set is ideal for anyone wanting to jump right into candle making. It includes everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners or those who prefer an all-in-one solution. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to craft your own candles, tarts, or scented creations, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Soy wax has a great scent throw, meaning it can disperse fragrance oils effectively and fill your space with a delightful aroma. Soy wax is easy to work with. It has a lower melting point, which makes it easier to handle and pour. Soy wax produces minimal soot and smoke, ensuring a clean and healthy atmosphere. Number 3. Hearth and Harbor Organic Soy Candle Wax Kit. Dive into the world of candle making with everything you need. This kit is perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, providing all the essentials to get started. Creating beautiful candles has never been easier. Our flakes melt quickly and smoothly, allowing you to add your favorite scents and colors with simple steps. Achieve a strong, long-lasting aroma in your creations. You can also add custom colors for bold, even hues, ensuring your candles look as good as they smell. Enjoy peace of mind with our sustainably sourced soy wax. It's free from harmful additives, non-toxic, and safe to use, making it ideal for any crafting session. Looking for a unique gift? This kit, or the beautiful candles you create with it, makes a thoughtful present for any occasion. Personalize your gifts with amazing scents and colors. What we like. For those who prioritize natural and eco-friendly ingredients, this option is a top pick. It's free from paraffin and animal products, ensuring a clean burn. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a high-quality, sustainable wax for your candles, tea lights, or melts, this is a fantastic choice for creating custom scents and colors. What people say. The scent throw is amazing. It fills the whole room with a lovely fragrance. These scents are very potent and a little goes a long way, making them cost-effective. The fragrance oils blend beautifully with soy wax, creating a smooth and consistent candle. Number 2. Good Essential Winter Aromatherapy Fragrance Oil Set. Unwrap the magic of the season with our Winter Aromas collection. This set features 6 delightful fragrance oils, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere in your home. Achieve the perfect scent every time with our easy-to-use eyedropper bottles. Simply add a few drops to your projects for a beautifully balanced aroma. Remember to always dilute before use. Infuse your surroundings with the warm and inviting scents of cinnamon, vanilla, and gingerbread. These versatile oils are ideal for diffusers, DIY projects, soaps, and so much more. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This fragrance oil set combines the joy of DIY with delightful holiday scents, making it an ideal present for anyone who loves a festive ambience. Proudly bottled in the USA, each oil is rigorously tested to ensure the highest quality. Choose our winter fragrance oils for a touch of luxury in your home or as a wonderful housewarming gift. What we like. If you want to capture the essence of the holiday season, this set is perfect for you. The festive aromas like cinnamon and gingerbread are ideal for creating a cozy, winter ambience. Consider this if you're making gifts, decorating for the holidays, or simply want to infuse your space with warm, seasonal scents. What people say. The scent throw is amazing. It fills the whole room with a beautiful fragrance. These scents are very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. I only needed a few drops to get a strong scent in my candles. The variety of scents available is fantastic. I was able to find exactly what I was looking for, and they all smell wonderful. Number 1. MitFlor Men's Club Fragrance Gift Set. Introducing a curated collection of 6 distinct masculine and unisex fragrances. Experience classic aromas designed for the sophisticated individual. This set features captivating scents like spice bomb, oud tobacco, and smoky leather. Each 10 ml bottle includes a convenient dropper for effortless application. These premium oils are perfect for diffusers, candle making, and soaps. Elevate your home or personal care products with these rich scents. Our fragrance oils are manufactured to IFRA guidelines, ensuring they are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and alcohol-free. Enjoy them safely, knowing they are kind to you and the environment. Expertly blended by master perfumers, these highly concentrated oils offer complex and enduring fragrances. Transform your space into a sanctuary of comfort and indulgence. Surprise your boyfriend, husband, or father with this exquisite gift set. It's an ideal present for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. What we like. This collection is designed for those who appreciate sophisticated and rich aromas. The masculine and unisex scents are perfect for creating a distinguished ambience. If you're looking for a premium fragrance oil set for yourself or as a gift for the men in your life, this is an excellent choice for candles, diffusers, or personal care products. What people say. The scent throw is amazing. It fills the room with fragrance. These scents are very true to their descriptions and blend well with soy wax. I love how concentrated these oils are. A little goes a long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.